This morning campfire brought to you by Vicky Van Gogh. Thanks, Vic.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.
She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
Unfortunately, it's our last day here, but we're going to make the most of it. We've got 3 plans, I think. Something about Bloody Marys, drone flying, and haircuts. We're going to get Frugal RV Gal to give us haircuts. It's been about 9 or 10 months since my hair's seen a pair of scissors, and it needs it. So, yeah, that's our plan. Sure enjoying it here in the mountains with Frugal and Dan. Good times. We are starting out this morning with breakfast. Vicky is making a lemon strawberry breakfast cake in the Dutch oven. Oh. Wow.
You need a toothpick.
Do you have a toothpick? I couldn't find mine.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want that to fall on the cake, though.
You're gonna
That would
put
be
it, well,
detrimental.
No, I think it's done. I don't think I need a toothpick.
really?
Yep.
All right, here comes the fancy part. Not dropping it in the dirt.
Right.
Nice.
Good job.
Mmm. Icing.
Lemon glaze.
Good.
Lemon glaze. Yum.
Yum.
Yum. Yummy, yummy.
To friends forever, may we always be true. Long-lasting love through and through.
Amen.
Cheers.
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 Very good.
Cheers. They're having tomato juice. So what's the Core 4 specialty, Vicky?
Eating.
We do it pretty well.
We do.
Yeah.
Yep.
Either a Dutch oven's going at all times or the barbecue pit's going at all times.
Well, not a bad way to be.
Just keep rotating our food.
What's next?
Taco Tuesday.
Woo!
You can sit. It's just gonna
Well, you need a pump-up chair.
I know.
Pump her up and down.
There's and right.
Frugal RV Gal haircutting salon. She ain't even afraid. Wow, Vicky.
I felt it hit my hand. That's
Oh.
great.
I'm not afraid.
No, but Vicky should be. No, you're doing a great job. What a
Right here,
straight
oops.
line.
Oops. What do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
Good. Good
Is it
job.
beautiful?
Beautiful.
Yes.
Good job.
Give me the Bruce. Give me the juice, Bruce.
Juice.
The juice.
Put a gallon in me, Alan.
A gallon in you?
Sure.
Oh,
Take a gallon off of me.
yours is gonna be harder than theirs.
Really?
Yeah, 'cause an inch. Uh-oh.
There it starts.
And there we go.
Now for the razors. Dan's gonna be ready for a night out of dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's coming, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I need one of those. Brushes.
You don't come over and blow on the back of his neck for you?
Yes, please do. That's extra, Dan.
When she has to call in the assistant, that'll cost you. Good job.
Okay.
All
See what it
right.
feels like.
Feels like good already. Yeah, it feels good. Excelente. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Looking good. Looking dapper. Then we're all going to get a pair of scissors and do frugal all at once.
Yeah. But
So, yes, that is a haircutting cape that Lola's wearing.
of
Yes,
course it is.
Frugal stepped into her rig and brought that out. I think that means we're at the right salon.
Is that, here, let me sit up straighter.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Do you need
That
a phone book
back
to
of that
sit on?
chair.
Frugal probably has one in the van.
A what?
A phone book to sit on?
Oh,
Yeah.
Frugal probably has one in the camper.
Pine needle.
well, I washed my hair and I dropped my towel in the, on the ground, so I'm pretty sure I put that pine needle there.
Right over there where you yeah, feel of it.
Oh, wow, that was good. Wow, all that dead stuff's gone.
I know, isn't that great?
It's so great.
That's what it
That's
feels like.
really pretty. That's a great length, Ross.
Good. Look good, Vic?
Yep, it really does. It's like got movement to it.
Well, it's because I'm moving it.
What?
It's because I'm moving it.
Oh.
I have to wait for the hairdresser to take my smock
Oh.
off before I can get up.
That's true. Tell me I don't know what I'm doing.
So apparently what we're doing is we're eating again. Yep, that's right. It's Taco Tuesday. How many cooks will fit in this kitchen? I'd say 3.
Ground that ground.
Straight across. I mean, I really.
Wave your arms. Okay. I'm like, I can't tell. It's we are
Put this on
focused.
record, right?
Huh?
You did put this on record,
Yeah,
right?
it should be.